Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I state your name. Having been elected as of Jet Squad First Computerized Industrial Security Training School, VIP Security Protection Agent Course, Class 02, Batch 29. Do solemnly swear that I will and faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the duties of my present position and of all others I may hereafter hold under my VIP Protection Agent course, Batch 29, that I will defend and support the Constitution and bylaws of our school, that I will bear the faith and allegiance to the same, that I will obey the laws, legal orders, and decrees promulgated by the duly constituted authorities of the Republic of the Philippines, and that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily, without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God. Let's congratulate our newly elected officers of Batch 29. So let's give them a round of applause. Congratulations. Okay. Once more, let's give them a round of applause to our newly elected officers.